Heart Start automated external defibrillators deliver life-saving therapy in an emergency. To ensure that your defibrillator is ready to deliver that therapy whenever an emergency occurs, it performs daily self-tests. It produces a single chirp or triple chirps to alert you about certain device conditions that may impact its readiness in an emergency. In this short video, we explain how to interpret these audio chirps. We're using the Heart Start On-Site to illustrate these instructions, but they also apply to the Heart Start FRX and the other members of the HS1 family of defibrillators, including the Heart Start HS1 and the Heart Start Home. All of these defibrillator models look like one of the devices shown here. When the green ready light is flashing and the device emits no chirps, the device is ready for use. Triple chirps could mean that a potentially serious problem was detected during the last self-test that could prevent your defibrillator from delivering therapy in an emergency. When you hear triple chirps, remove the device from service and contact Philips or your Philips representative immediately for technical support. In the unlikely event you hear triple chirps during an emergency rescue, press the flashing blue I button and follow the voice prompts.
Not ready for use. Remove and reinsert battery to test.
Removing and reinserting the battery during a rescue can temporarily clear some errors and may enable the defibrillator to deliver therapy. Once the emergency is over, contact Philips or your Philips representative immediately for technical support. A single chirp indicates that the defibrillator requires routine maintenance, such as replacement of pads or installation of a new battery. Press the flashing blue I button to hear additional information about the cause of the single chirp.
Low battery. Insert fresh battery.
Perform the necessary maintenance to resolve this issue and return the defibrillator back into service. This completes the training on how to interpret your Heart Start defibrillator chirp sounds. For additional information about the use of your device, consult the owner's manual